When homeowners think about increasing property value, they often focus on large renovations like kitchens or bathrooms. However, one upgrade that delivers both immediate impact and long-term return is replacing your entry door. In Palmetto Bay, where curb appeal, energy efficiency, and durability matter, a well-chosen entry door can significantly enhance your home's value while improving everyday comfort. One of the most noticeable benefits of upgrading your entry door is enhanced curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people see when they approach your home. An outdated, worn, or faded door can make the entire property look less inviting. On the other hand, a modern, stylish entry door creates a strong first impression. Whether you choose a bold color, decorative glass, or a sleek contemporary design, a new door can instantly elevate the appearance of your home. In a competitive real estate market like Palmetto Bay, first impressions matter. A visually appealing entryway can make your home stand out to potential buyers and increase its perceived value before they even step inside. Another major advantage is improved energy efficiency. Older doors often have poor insulation or worn seals that allow air to leak in and out. In Palmetto Bay's warm and humid climate, this can lead to higher cooling costs and less comfortable indoor temperatures. Modern entry doors are designed with insulated cores, tight seals, and energy-efficient materials that help regulate indoor conditions. By keeping cool air inside and heat outside, they reduce the strain on your HVAC system and lower energy bills. This energy efficiency is not only beneficial for daily living but also attractive to buyers who are looking for homes with lower operating costs. It's a practical upgrade that adds both comfort and long-term value. Security is another key factor that contributes to home value. A strong, well-built entry door provides enhanced protection for your home. Modern doors are equipped with reinforced frames, durable materials, and advanced locking systems that make them more resistant to forced entry. In Palmetto Bay, where homeowners value safety and peace of mind, this added security can be a significant selling point. Durability is especially important in coastal environments. Entry doors in Palmetto Bay must withstand heat, humidity, and occasional storms. Materials like fiberglass and steel are designed to resist warping, cracking, and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. A durable door that maintains its appearance over time adds to your home's overall quality and reduces the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Another way entry doors increase value is by improving indoor comfort. A properly sealed door helps eliminate drafts and maintains consistent indoor temperatures. This creates a more comfortable living environment, which is something homeowners and buyers alike appreciate. When your home feels cool, quiet, and well insulated, it leaves a lasting positive impression. Modern entry doors also offer design versatility. Homeowners can choose from a wide range of styles, finishes, and features to match their home's architecture. Decorative glass panels, side lights, and unique hardware options allow for customization that enhances both interior and exterior design. This level of personalization helps create a cohesive look that adds to the overall appeal of your home. In addition to aesthetics, entry doors can also improve natural light. Doors with glass inserts or side lights allow sunlight to enter your entryway, making it feel brighter and more welcoming. This added light enhances the interior atmosphere and contributes to a more open and inviting space. From a financial perspective, replacing an entry door is often considered a high-return investment. Compared to larger renovation projects, it requires a relatively modest investment while still delivering noticeable improvements in appearance, efficiency, and security. Many homeowners find that they recoup a significant portion of the cost when selling their property. Finally, a new entry door signals that your home has been well maintained. Buyers are more confident in properties that show attention to detail and recent upgrades. This can make your home more attractive and easier to sell. In the end, Upgrading your entry door is a simple yet powerful way to improve home value in Palmetto Bay. It enhances curb appeal, boosts energy efficiency, increases security, and creates a more comfortable living environment. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy a better home, investing in a quality entry door is a smart decision that delivers lasting benefits.